Welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on my own nails and I'm going to be doing a fill, of course, and I have a new product from Glam I'll be using on my nails to try out, and some new foil, and I'll be using some Glam colors that are just beautiful for fall and winter. So I'm starting by using my medium ceramic bit and removing the color and checking for lifting. And I did have the polygel on my nails, and I did have a couple that I broke along the way, and I usually don't break nails, so I'm shortening them a little bit. I think maybe I bumped them a few too many times and I had to fix them, so that I decided I needed a fill. So I'll be using my Fuzion products to fill them with. I hope all you guys had a great New Year's. Mine was pretty quiet, just spent it at home with my husband. My kids were out, but it was good. We made it till after midnight, which is amazing for us. So yeah, it was a really good New Year's, and now I'm ready to get back to work. And actually today's my birthday, so my husband's taking me to another city and we're going out for supper and staying overnight, so it's gonna be a nice day once I'm done work. Enough with me rambling on. So back to the nails. The second nail, I had that glitter embedded in the polygel, so I'm not going to fully remove it. There's no need to. So I'm just going to do my normal checking for lifting and shaping the nail. But yeah, it doesn't need to be removed at this point. So I'm going to take my file and shape them a little bit before I start adding the gel products. I just find it just is a little bit easier if I do this first. So now I'm just taking my round cuticle bit and removing the cuticles off my nail. So now I'm taking my nail prep and spraying the nails to remove any dust or oils that may be left behind. And I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I do buy my nail prep from West Esthetics. I'll have that link down in the description. It's for professionals, of course, when you buy from there. But that's where I buy all my Fuzion products as well, and my Young Nails Protein Bond, which I'm putting on right now on the natural nail by the Cuticle. And now I'm taking my Fuzion base coat and doing a thin layer. And this Fuzion, like I said, line is from West Esthetics. It's my favorite hard gel line. I know you guys like watching hard gel videos, so I wanted to do a fill with some hard gel on myself. So I'll apply that, and of course I'll cure it, and then I'll be applying my Fuzion 2.5, and that's my builder gel from the Fuzion line, and then I will fill all the nails in with that. So when I was filling, I noticed on a couple of my nails, my edges underneath weren't quite straight across. So this is a good trick. I'm going to let gravity help me out. And I'm applying the builder there and getting it in, filling it. And then I'll put it under the light like that so it sets while it's curing. And yeah, it works really well to fill in if you're missing a little bit of a sidewall. It's the best way I find with hard gel to do it, and then you can file it nice and even once it's cured. So now I'm taking some isopropyl alcohol and just removing that sticky inhibition layer off my nails. And then I'll be filing them, finish filing with my nail file. And I will also use my fine bit that I got from AliExpress that I love for around the cuticles. I can put that link down in the description as well where I got that from. It's really a great bit. And I'll also be buffing my nails, of course, at the end to remove any scratches or indents that may be there so they're nice and smooth. So now I'm choosing my colors for the nails. So you can see all my swatch sticks. I have so many colors. And the ones I've got here that I'm showing you are from Madam Glam. Those are the ones I end up choosing. They're beautiful fall colors. I've always really wanted to use those on my nails. And then I decided I was going to choose a glitter gel. And that was the glitter gel from Madam Glam as well. I'll have all those colors down in the description from Madam Glam that I used. Then I decided I wanted to do one nail with one of the new foils because they're just so nice. So I'm looking through them. I pointed to the one in the top left-hand corner. I was maybe going to use that, but then I pulled out another new container of foils, and this one caught my eye. It just really complemented the colors that I'll be using. So I choose this one. You'll see it here right away. It's just beautiful. And I'll put the link for those down in the description as well, where I got the foils from. So yeah. I'm just really excited to try all these new foils out, and I will be using a foil gel to put them on with. But so to begin with, I'm going to use the Madam Glam glitter gel. But actually, once I get all the color on the nails, I decide I don't want the glitter gel. I love this glitter gel, but I decided I just wanted color with a set. For some reason, when I had all the color on, I just felt that I didn't need that glitter nail, if that makes sense. I do change my mind once in a while. So you'll see me a little bit later buffing out that glitter gel and applying a color. It's actually one of the colors that I had at the beginning. So I ended up going back to my original color that I chose. So this Madam Glam color I'm applying is called Give Me Pie. And honestly, I absolutely love this color. It is one of my favorite fall colors that Madam Glam came out with. I've been dying to try it. It is so nice. It's such a pretty, different, unique color. So I'll apply 2 coats of that and cure each coat for 30 seconds. This is another favorite color that they came out with at the same time as Give Me Pie. This one is called Maze. I absolutely love this as well. It's just so nice. Such a rich, beautiful fall winter color. So I'll be doing 3 of the nails in this color and doing 2 coats. Such great coverage. And of course, you guys, I have my 30% off code. It'll be down in the description for Madam Glam. Just make sure you click the link to use it. And I will be applying foil over this nail that I'm doing now, but I applied the color just to have it below first. So I will be applying Macart's foil gel. You would have seen me do a video on this. It is the best foil gel that I know out there. It works so well. So I apply 1 layer and I'll cure for 60 seconds. And then you'll see me applying that foil and rubbing it in. And you want to make sure you rub it in well so it transfers that design really nice on the nail. So I'll be doing that with my finger. And I will also use a silicone tool just to make sure I rub it around really well and get it transferring nicely. So now I'll be applying Maze to the last 2 nails, so I'll just let you guys watch me do that. So now I'm buffing out that glitter gel, like I said, because I didn't want to use it. And I will be using the Madam Glam gel polish called Harvest Party. I showed it with the other two gels that I used at the beginning. So I just want to remove some of that so it's not too bulky. And then I'll be applying 2 coats of that. And it's another really beautiful, warm, fall winter color that came out with these other 2 polishes. So the top coat I'll be using, I wanted to share with you and try it out, is Madam Glam's new Velvet Matte Top Coat. I had it in the previous video. I shared it with their new marble inks. Check that video out if you want to see those new products. They're really, really nice. That card is in the top right hand corner for that video. So I'm applying it to all the nails and it'll cure for 60 seconds once I get it on. And to be honest with you, Madam Glam's matte top coat that they used to have, I didn't care for it, so I never used it. I did have it, but I didn't like it. So I'm really excited to see if they've improved their top coat, their matte top coat that is. And so I applied it to all the nails and I just put them in the light for the 60 seconds, and I was so impressed the fact that it instantly was a nice matte. Like, there was no streaking. As you can see, it looks so nice. And to be honest with you, I absolutely love it. I can't stop feeling my nails. They feel so velvety soft once they're cured. So Madam Glam, you did it again. So thank you for sending me that to share with everybody. Everyone's going to absolutely love this matte top coat. You did such a great job on improving it. Thanks to Madam Glam again for always sending me these products to share with you. And I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.